Peace, family. We wanted to share with you where the funds from your memberships go and how they contribute to our mission of holistic healing. Every penny you contribute plays a vital role in sewing back into our community. From sound instruments that channel a deeper sense of healing to workshops and events tailored for your well-being.
Your membership proceeds directly fund breathwork sessions and sound sessions, creating a transformative experience for every stage of life. The funds go towards retreats centered around holistic healing, providing a space for our community to reconnect with themselves and others.
But it doesn't stop there. Your support allows us to travel to hospitals, mental health clinics, bringing breathwork and sound sessions to those who need it most. We believe in transparency. We want you to know that every dollar goes towards making a positive impact on the lives of individuals in and around San Antonio.
As we grow, so does our vision. We aspire to take our community on trips and retreats with high spiritual impact, envisioning journeys to places like Egypt, Stonehenge, Peru, Bali, Hawaii. Your membership not only enhances your own holistic healing, but contributes to the collective well-being of our community. Together, we're on a journey to make a difference in San Antonio and one day, the world.
Thank you for your trust and faith in our mission. Your funds truly further our vision of holistic healing. Together, we are creating a positive impact on lives, one sound, one breath, and one community at a time.
Elevate your essence, elevate your essence, elevate your essence, elevate your essence, yeah.